Is your laptop screaming for internet while you're stuck in a Wi-Fi dead zone? Don't sweat it. Your Android phone is a portable hotspot ready to rescue you. First, unlock your Android phone and dive into the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon once you're in. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet. The name might vary slightly depending on your Android version. Now, look for an option called Hotspot and Tethering. Tap on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a few options here. Let's start with Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap on it to configure your personal Wi-Fi network. Turn the Wi-Fi hotspot toggle switch to the on position. Give your hotspot a name, that's the SSID, and set up a strong password. This prevents unwanted guests from using your data. Remember, a longer, more complex password is always better. Now, on your laptop or tablet, search for available Wi-Fi networks and connect to the one you just created. Enter the password, and boom, you're online. Alternatively, for a more stable connection, you can use USB tethering. Connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Then, in the Hotspot and Tethering menu, turn the USB tethering toggle switch to the on position. Finally, there's Bluetooth tethering. Pair your phone with your other device via Bluetooth. Then, in the Hotspot and Tethering menu, turn the Bluetooth tethering toggle switch to the on position. Keep in mind that tethering uses your mobile data, so keep an eye on your data usage to avoid exceeding your plan. And that's it. You're now a tethering pro, turning your Android phone into a lifeline for all your devices.